Hello guys, and welcome back again to our channel. In this video I will show you how to change the color of an image. Let's say for example you have two different images with two completely different colors. How can you really make these images look alike and have some kind of the same color? Well, the method is pretty easy. Just keep focusing with me on this tutorial. First of all, let's click on File and click on New, and let's choose a preset from this library. If you want to create your own preset, just change the numbers from here. Now let's choose this one and click on Create, and this page will be shown. Now let's drag our pictures, for example these two, and from here we can drag this one, and let's drag this one. These pictures you can see are completely different and with so much different colors. How can you make them look alike? First of all, let's make this one bigger and make it take more than the half of the page, and this one also make it bigger, but don't make it take the half of the page. Let's make it something like that. As you can see, now it's perfectly done. Now let's merge these two layers, not merge, but just first let's choose this one above it, and let's choose this eraser tool, and let's make this one a little bit bigger than that, like something around this. Yep, this is perfect. And let's try to kind of raise these edges of the picture. For example, try to keep the sword looking good, don't erase it, so you can really feel like the images are the same. Now after we did this method, all you gotta do is click on these two, merge them together, and click on this circle right here, click on black and white, and as you can see they have gone or black and white. How to kind of control the color? You can just move this from here, move this in here, or do whatever you want with these colors. But what I usually do is something like that. Click in here, color in this one, and choose something like that. Soft light or overlay, they will look so much perfect with it. So that was the tutorial for today guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thanks for watching.